Here I have BLACKVIEW BV6600, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So firstly you have to open phone application, then tap here, go to its settings, then go to the blocked numbers, tap add a number. Here you just have to enter a number which you want to block, tap block, and after that this number will never reach you again. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.